Hi guys, good morning. Here I am again. Welcome to my vlog. My name is Joy. And ngayon po is a school day. One subject lang but may report kami. So papunta na ako ng bus stop. It's a little bit snowy today. Umuulan ng niebe. Look. So umuulan ng niebe guys at malamig, -1 yata ngayon. Sana hindi marami yung snow. So later on, see you at the bus. Guys! Hi guys! I'm the patient today. So hi! Guys, finally we're here! So we're finally here! Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog! Ayan na! Hi guys! Hello! Good morning! Welcome back to my vlog! We're here guys! Galing kaming school and it's nag-snowstorm! A lot of snow!
I want you to know.
Huh? So guys, galing kaming school today, one subject lang, din natapos kami ng maaga, and then now done with our lunch, so we're going to the city. Maglalakad lang kami sa ganitong panahon. Ay, kasama ko ngayon si Simon. Hi Simon. Hello. And Lester.
Hi.
Lester ka sa vlog pala. Lester.
Ah?
Wala ba kayo? Anong makader pa sa laogbad?
Logi?
Wait, awanan dyan.
Struggle is real.
Ayun, very wrong atong shoe.
Very wrong decision.
Pagpag. Ipagpag mo shoes.
Di sunod ng ice. Ay mo dito no.
Struggle is real. So ngayon namin naisipan mag-vlog guys kasi ang hirap ng panahon ngayon. Sa lakas ng hangin, look. So ito, mapipicture na muna ito.
Okay na. Isan pa lang kayo na. Mama, snow.
Mama, snow!
May mapicture kaya tayo.
Malapit?
Oh.
Photo.
So far guys, ngayon hindi pa, ang lakas talaga ng hangin. And itong dalawa, picture taking muna. Tingnan mo yung aming kwan ngayon, oh. Lapit kami sa lake, kaya medyo malakas yung hangin.
Ate Jen, makita ka.
Ah. So guys, naisipan naming maglakad lang. Layo pa naman. So ngayon, naisipan naming maglakad para hindi kami ipamasahe. So far, ito yung aming na-experience ngayon. Kanina pa itong umaga, I think it will be until the night. Itong panahon na to. So, others are biking kahit nag-i-snow. So May nagbabiking. And tulad namin. Ayan o. Here. Katumba na lang siya. Mon, hawakan mo.
Ang sipon ko maklaro. 8 Ultra HD. Pinalakad nila ako kahit meron akong baskad. Grabe yung ano yung result ko dito. Grabe yung snow. Ayan ang mga grabe na talaga. Tingnan nyo yung ayan oh.
Dami ng snow. And look. Oh my God. And look at Simon oh. Naligo na. Baka ito naligo-ligo na. Sobrang tapa na guys. Ito yung first snowstorm for this winter. Yeah. But kailangan namin makaalis sa area na to guys. Struggle is real good. So ayan o. Yung mga kasama ko dyan o. Look. Hi! School pa more! Walk pa more! Hike!
Gusto mo bang magtrabaho sa Finland? Karanasan ng snow? Halika na! Bayad ka lang na! Gusto nyo bang mag-aral dito sa Finland at maging registered nurse? At maranasan ng snow? Mag-enroll na sa NOVIA. University of Applied Science. You have to pay 8,000 euro per year.
Exclusive. Hindi pa sali doon yung iyong rent and
Yeah.
budget. Let's go!
So finally guys, we're here in the city. Sa hirap ng nilakad namin. Dami parang snow, lakas pa rin. Ha?
Ang tapat bago ako.
Shopping. Finally inside. Upo muna kami. So hi guys, good morning ulit. Welcome back to my vlog. Kahapon hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi nalubat yung aking GoPro. Hindi ko nadala yung aking extra battery. So wala talaga. Hindi ko talaga natapos. So today it's another day again. And school, I'm going to school. It's 1 a.m. Ay 1 p.m. pa lang. 1 p.m. And kahapon nag-snowstorm. Kaya sobrang dami ng snow. So buti na lang dito, itong area na to. Ito. Ang daming snow, nahirapan ako maglakad. So I'm in a bit in hurry kasi kailangan kong makuha yung bus. Medyo malalay pa yung lakad ko. Pero winter na talaga guys. Yan. So finally I'm in school. That's our campus building. Sonny is here. Paghay.
Hi. Libur kitty.
Hi, Son. Sonny. School.
But if I am, what should I say, a welder, maybe I'll start my.
I was like 22. Hi.
It's
Oh, today we're
Merienda
here
time.
at the university. We're having our break.
coffee time and we have our baon here. I brought our baon. So, it's our break time. Ang hirap makapag-video doon sa loob. But anyway, dalawa lang naman kami ngayon, absent yung isa. So, we're going to drink coffee. We have our complete baon kami eh.
Fresh
We have
from
biscuits.
UK. Para nakuha ka na.
Ha? Kani mo ha?
Nakuha na rin na.
Asa? Kani?
Ano?
Kani?
Oh.
It's close. Ito yung aming coffee.
I've seen a lot of change.
O sige na ito, nung ibutang lang. Di, ano lang. Meron akong dalang kuan, ito lang sa akin.
Okay.
Parang kakao. Gawin na lang ganun. Saan kapalit akong kuya?
Ano itong Cadbury? Hindi mo na.
Ano mo dito?
Pwede sa Alma. Pwede dili ka lang Vanessa na grupo.
So, Sonny is having his coffee. We have 15 minutes break. So, drink muna kami ng kape. Wait, asa ka? Dali. So, here, kuan kami. Ooh, beautiful day. So, ito yung school namin. Doon ang restaurant. Library is over there. Yan, library yan. We're almost in the city, guys. Malapit na. Ang layo na nilakad namin. Almost 2 kilometers din, Tech.
Laban lang sa
Laban lang.